Welcome back. Here's my Crossman breaker barrel. I took it apart because the detent was getting so hard to operate. It was basically unshootable. So it wasn't that complicated. I figured out it just gets cruddy inside and around, and the slightest particle that catches it, you can't run the detent anymore. And I got it working fine. So take a touch of silicone in a can and give it a good spray. I'm not going to give it too much. I've already cleaned it quite a lot. And just engage the detent on something solid and just let it clean itself out. It'll start feeling smoother without having to take it apart or anything like that. I've never taken apart a detent, so I don't know what's gonna spring out of that, how it's hooked in. I saw the pin for it. This pin right behind the washer, right there, that released the detent. But this is easy. I haven't had to go too deep into the gun. And when I put it back together, I get a brand new sensation out of it. Feels brand new again. So I'll go try it out. And you can try that out if your detent is getting stuck too. Alright, see you next time. Yep. Oh yeah. I mean, it was at a ramming force there just to open. This is very nice. I say problem solved.